I can't believe this. We are finally here in, I can't even say it, Noord-Juskert in the Netherlands. This is our new baby, our van. It's got our kitchen here. And chairs that turn around if we have guests. This is the shower. Come on in, this is the bathroom.
I'm not going to shower with you now.
So we've got toilet and little vanity. I don't know if that opens, but yeah, it's got everything
Swivels,
here.
eh?
That swivels. And this is the bedroom. Problems. Wardrobe, storage for everything. And the back just opens so that wherever we are, we can just open the back doors in the morning. Ooh, it's got water. This is so exciting. Pilot's chair.
Big storage.
Privacy.
Lots of storage cupboards.
Okay, are you ready for our first meal? You can have crackers and avocado, reed crackers for the first meal, and cashews because we've got no plates yet.
That's
and
it.
It's nearly 9 o'clock at night. Oh dear.
What are we doing?
We just locked ourselves inside the car.
No, we didn't.
Oh, we did for a little while. It was a bit of a panic. But yeah, we're actually parked up in a supermarket parking lot that provides for freedom type free campers here.
Gives us power and water.
Power and water. So
For $10 a night.
and 10 euros. 10 euros a night. Got to get used to that too. But yeah, we're good. Our first night in our camper van in a parking lot outside a supermarket in Hoogeveen in the middle of the Netherlands.
Oh, what are we doing?
Halfway around the world. Sleeping ice cold. It's absolutely freezing. But we're okay.
Tiny van.
It's an adventure.
Oh my gosh, what are we doing?
Fully clothed with 2 duvets.
We can't get our heater working yet.
We only just figured out how to lock it.
There's night 1, so
There's no power.
364 to go.
It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's freezing cold. And we open our little porthole windows here. Look at it, our favourite car park. The tulips are growing, so we know they're in the Netherlands.
We kind of miscalculated when spring will arrive, I think. We have 2 little portholes by our bed. Look at that.
This is crazy ridiculous. There's like 5, you can't call them jets of water. 5 pinprick things of water coming through.
Did you manage to wash your hair?
Well, I did. It took a while.
Come on, open.
But I've had my first van shower. Good morning. What we have discovered in 24 hours, a 6-metre van is big to drive, but very tiny to live in. that spring starts at a different time in the Northern Hemisphere, but the tulips are coming, and so that's the promise of a wonderful day.